In this video, we'll guide you through the process of restarting your data in Sage Accounting. This feature removes all entered information, enabling you to erase any practice data entered during a free trial period and start fresh while retaining your user, business, and billing details. Before using this option, it's important to print any necessary reports, export your current data, or make notes of essential information, including customer and supplier details and transaction records. You can export data from accounting into Excel and PDF formats. For more information, please visit the Help Center and search for Export Data. The Export Data Overview article explains what data can be exported and how. Additionally, disconnect any bank feeds. You'll need to reconnect them after resetting your data. If you've set up bank rules, exporting them beforehand is recommended. You can later import them again once your data has been reset. If you have any third-party app connections, such as GoCardless, Opeo, and Stripe, please visit our Help Center for guidance on the specific steps required. To begin, navigate to Settings from the top menu bar and select Business Settings. Scroll down and click Data Management. Within this section, you can reset and restore all your data in Sage Accounting. To reset your data and start afresh, click here. To confirm you want to proceed with this action, enter your email address in the designated box. The email address must be the owner's email address for this account. Then, click Reset Data. You'll be prompted to set up your accounting license. Follow the wizard, providing the necessary information. The business name is pre-populated. Choose the type of your business and click Next. The trading address is also pre-populated, but you can edit it if needed. To proceed, click Next. Specify whether your business is VAT registered. Enter the relevant information and click Next. Review the data entered, and to access Sage Accounting, click here. Back in the Data Management section, you also have the option to restore the deleted data. This will restore to its state at the time and date the data was last reset. Keep in mind, restoring data will result in the loss of any information added after the timestamp, and this action is irreversible. To restore the deleted data, click here. To confirm you want to proceed with this action, enter your email address in the designated box. The email address must be the owner's email address for this account. Then, click Restore Data. If you are unsure about resetting and restoring data, we strongly recommend consulting one of our customer support experts for further guidance. For further information, access our Help Center by clicking Help at the top of Sage Accounting. You've now learned how to reset and restore your data.